Hi, I'm Sheena with L2L Support, and welcome to this tips and tricks video on notification groups and rules. Did you know you can set up group notifications for groups of users or an entire user role? Please note, to add notification groups, you need access to the setup menu. You need to be a site administrator, and under admin security settings, you will need to be an administrator, resource manager, and user manager. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your L2L user account and access the setup menu on the left-hand side. Next, you'll see notifications. Select notification groups. Here you'll select Add New. You'll see the notification group detail screen. Here you will need to enter the required information, such as confirm your site, give a description. The description will serve as the title of the notification group. Here you'll select users or user roles, or both you want included in the notification group. For purposes of this video, I will select a couple users. Now, look at notification rules. Select Add Rule. If you would like notifications delivered to the L2L mobile app, you would click Deliver to Mobile Devices. Here is your delivery method. This defaults to email. Next is your notification type. Let's take a look at these. You have the option of setting notification for events based on area, machine, technology, or value stream. You can select a notification for dispatch awaiting resource, which sets notifications based on unassigned events. Resource idle, set notification when a dispatch enters idle status. Dispatch resource, supervisors or line leaders may choose to be notified every time a resource is dispatched to a particular dispatch type. Machine notification groups, set notifications based on machine notification group settings. Line total downtime, set notifications based on line total downtime during a day, shift, etc. Past due, notification when scheduled events or work orders exceed due date. Assigned resource, receive a notification when you are assigned to a dispatch. For purposes of this video, I'm going to select area. Now I choose my area. I can select a specific dispatch type, and I can include a trade. Next, you will see minutes. You can choose to receive notifications for X number of minutes after a dispatch is launched. Occurrences per machine. You can set notifications for X number of occurrences per machine, per current setup, per shift, etc. You can choose a shift. This is useful if you are concerned about a particular shift or are assigned to only one shift and don't want to know about dispatches being launched on other shifts. Next, you'll see days of the week. You can choose which days you would like to receive notifications on. This defaults to weekdays. You could choose a start and end time. This works like shifts, but can cover a broader time range. You can choose to leave these blank. If you would like to receive notifications just on critical machines, you could choose that from the drop-down, or choose to have all machines. Notify on complete will send the notification when a dispatch is completed. Lastly, you have repeat. You can choose to repeat notifications at select intervals of time. Now that you have selected your notification requirements, click Save. Back on the notification group detail screen, you will need to be sure to click Save at the right upper corner, and you will also see you have the edit or remove options here as well. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a group notification. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us at L2L Support.